What a go on, people, your boy Kells again. Once again, coming straight at you with another episode of That Viva Guy. And today, I'm in the beautiful island of St. Kitts and Nevis. Yeah, so today I'm gonna meet up with a long-time friend of mine, Sinika. Yeah, man, it's been ages. I'm gonna head over to the southeast peninsula today. I had a plan to explore the island a little bit more and do a lot of FPV shots, but unfortunately I wasn't able to do that, so I'm just gonna try and squeeze in as much as I can right now. We'll see what happens. So this is gonna be a short one. Remember to like and subscribe, ring the notification bell for more videos like this one, and leave comments below. If you like the video, hit the like button and enjoy this short video.
Hello, people.
Alright guys, so we don't have much time left today, so let's head outside now.
Let's do this.
Alright, so Sinika got the remote control. Show them your smart remote
Here it is.
to see the video, but you guys gonna see it anyway. And I'm gonna take off in full manual mode now, so let's step back a little bit this way. Alright. Ready, Sinika?
Yes, let's do this.
Engine on. So I'm in a no-fly zone. I had to fly back just a little bit in order to get back manual control. There we go. Ooh, what's this, a playground? Is that a net? Can I fly through that? What is that? What is that?
Where are you? Oh, on the field.
On the other side, yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's like a football. Perfect landing.
That was autopilot. Oh. So that was a flight of the Frigate Bay Marriott Golf Course. That's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
The Marriott Golf Course. And let's move on, man. Let's get some pizza. Let's eat. Let's pick up the kids, and that's the end of it.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I just rushed that off, but we actually ran out of time. So we're gonna pick the kids up from school now. Until next time, like and subscribe. Smash the like button.
That's right.
Hit the notification bell.
That's right.
Yeah, and thank you, Sinika, for holding the camera for me today. Peace out. Oh, I have to do my ending thingy.